Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes. Okay? Back to study. In a previous classes we have learned read the chapter Birds Goes the Bee. It's a poem. I think you have all read enough. Now today's chapter is lesson 6. Chapter's name is What Are They Doing? It's a question mark. He's asking a question. What are they doing? वे क्या कर रहे हैं? इसलिए हमारा क्वेश्चन मार्क जो है इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? Okay, let's read. Open page number 37. Open page number 37. Before start origin, then click the correct option. Suppose a family has shifted from Sonipat to your locality. They are all your neighbor. How would you behave with their children if they come in a park to play with you and your friends? Okay, a family shifted from a Sonipat to your neighborhood. He is your neighbor. Okay, वो आपके पड़ोसी हैं. अगर वो कहीं से आए हैं तो आपके अगर घर के बगल में रहते तो आपके पड़ोसी हुए ना. अब ये पूछा जा रहा है कि अगर उनके बच्चे पार्क में आपके साथ खेलने आए तो आप कैसा बिहेव करेंगे? आपके पास 3 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं. You all avoid them means क्या आप उनको बिल्कुल देखकर भी ना इनकार कर देंगे, मतलब देख ही जाएंगे बच्चे खेलने आए फिर भी अपने देखेंगे. You will introduce them to your friends and ask them to join the game. क्या आप अपने दोस्तों से उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगे, पहचान दिलाएंगे और उनसे बोलेंगे कि हमारे साथ गेम खेलिए, या फिर you will fight with them and ask them not to play with you, और या तो उनसे आप लड़ाई कर लेंगे और बोलेंगे हमारे साथ खेलने मत आइए. Which option is correct? B. What where will you take? You have to take it. B option. C. A, B, C. You have to take it. Each option. Okay, kids. Now let's read the chapter. Chapter is Tanuja is new in locality. She is a Tina's neighbor. Tina is a nice girl. She herself goes to Tanuja. She asks her to come in the park and evening. Okay, here the 2 names of girls is given. First is Tanuja and second is Tina, Tanuja's neighbor. टीना तनुजा ना रहती है वहाँ पे, टीना आई है उसके पड़ोस में रहने. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड. फर्स्ट इज तनुजा एंड सेकंड इज टीना. लेट्स रीड द कन्वर्सेशन. तनुजा, व्हाट आर दीस दोस गर्ल्स डूइंग? तनुजा आस्क्स टीना, व्हाट आर दोस गर्ल्स डूइंग? टीना, दे आर प्लेइंग. तनुजा, व्हाट आर दे प्लेइंग? टीना, दे आर प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक. स्टूडेंट, यू नो हाइड एंड सीक? व्हिच गेम इज हाइड एंड सीक? जिसको आप लोग हिंदी में छुपम छुपाई बोलते हो. ये होता है हाइड एंड सीक गेम. ओके, टर्न योर पेज, पेज नंबर 38. Tanuja, one girl is hiding behind a bush. Riya, now look, Riya is walking on her tiptoes. Tanuja, laughing, hooray! Riya is catching the girl who is giving her turn. Okay, they are playing a game. It's about a game. Tina, let's go to the another corner of the park. Tanuja, oh, here the boys are also playing. What are they playing? Here, in the first corner of the park, your first game कौन सा था? Which game was the first game? Hide and seek. Okay. Now next game. Let's read. Tanuja. Oh, there are the boys also playing. What are they playing? Tina, they are playing parcel game. Which game? Passing the parcel. Ankit is playing some music by hitting the bench with the wooden sticks and the other boys are passing the parcel around. Tanuja, now Ankit is not playing the music. Has someone got the parcel? Tina, yes, Manu has received it and is unwrapping it. Tanuja, now what is he doing? Tina is taking out a card and reading it. Okay, it's a game. Tanuja, oh, he has become a cock and crawling like a real one. Tina, yes, the card says become a cock and crow like it. Now Ankit is playing music again. Tanuja, Ankit has stopped playing music now. Another boy has the parcel. Tina, yes, Rohit has got the parcel and he is hopping like a frog. Rohit Rohit is hopping and everyone is laughing. Tanuja, oh, this is a great one. Okay, in this story, what we have studied, they were talking about two girls. Tanuja asks Tina, Tina से पूछती है कि वो लड़कियां क्या कर रही हैं? तो टीना क्या बोलती है कि वे खेल रही हैं। तो तनुजा फिर से पूछती है क्या खेल रही है? तो टीना ने आंसर दिया हाइड एंड सीक, छुपम छुपाई करके। उसके बाद तनुजा बोलती है एक गर्ल जो झाड़ी के पीछे छुपी हुई है और रिया उसको अपने धीरे धीरे जाकर उसको ढूंढ लेती है। उसके बाद रिया ने उस लड़की को पकड़ लिया। फिर टीना बोलती है चलिए अब हम दूसरे कॉर्नर पे पार के दूसरे कॉर्नर में चलते हैं। वहाँ पे जब वो लोग जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे कुछ बॉयज खेल रहे होते हैं और वो कौन सा गेम खेल रहे होते हैं? पासिंग द पार्सल, मीन्स एक म्यूजिक प्ले होता है और एक पार्सल होता है, लाइक एक पिलो है, उसको आप सपोज 5 बॉयज हैं, 5 गर्ल्स हैं, उनको आप ऐसे पास कर रहे हो, जहाँ से म्यूजिक स्टॉप होगा वो पार्सल जिसके पास भी है उसको वो करना होगा जो आप बोलोगे, ठीक है? तो ऐसे पार्सल गेम हो रहा होता है, अंकित इज प्लेइंग म्यूजिक एंड जैसे म्यूजिक स्टॉप होता है भानु को वो पार्सल मिल जाता है, ठीक है? फिर भानु एक बॉक्स में सी द पिक्चर, दिस इज द पार्सल गेम। ओके, ये बॉक्स में कार्ड्स रखे हुए हैं, इस कार्ड से कार्ड निकाला जाएगा। जो भानु ने निकाला उसके कार्ड में लिखा था कि आपको कॉक बनना है, मुर्गा बनना है और क्रोइंग लाइक का डियर बनना, ऐसे बोलना है जैसे सच का मुर्गा बोलो, ठीक है? तो वो निकालता है और यहाँ पे वो कॉक बनता है। उसके बाद फिर से पार्सल स्टार्ट होता है और म्यूजिक स्टार्ट होता है। जैसे पार्सल स्टॉप म्यूजिक स्टॉप होता है, रोहित को दूसरा पार्सल मिलता है। उसको क्या करना होता है? उसको मेढक की तरह कॉक करना होता है, मेढक की तरह उछलना होता है। और जैसे रोहित मेढक की तरह उछल रहा था, जहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे सब क्या कर रहे थे? हंस रहे थे। दिस इज अ गेम। ओके, I hope you all understand the chapter. Now come to our exercises. Exercise. Write true or false. Tina was new in locality. True. Okay, Tina was new in locality. Tina goes to Tanuja on her invitation. No, false. Riya was walking on her tiptoes. True. And last is Bhanu become a cock in the parcel game. Again true. Okay, kids. Next is B exercise. Who said? This is then let's go to the another part. Who said to? Tina said to. Who said? Tina said to Tanuja. Let's go to the another part of the part. Next is now Ankit is not playing music. Tanuja said to Tina. Okay. Now come to exercise D. Sorry, page number 41, exercise A. Pick the odd word out. Okay, here words are given. You have to pick the odd word. Okay. In this, first is cake, buns, ice cream, dog. Okay. Now second one, cooking, playing, dad, sleeping. See kids, in this you have to circle odd, means like cake, bun, ice cream. These are three eating things ना. Cake भी आप खाते हैं, bun भी आप खाते हैं और ice cream भी खाते हैं. But dog is odd ना, because dog no neither you eat and this is the name of animal. So this is a circle it. Okay. Next is cooking, playing, bad and sleeping. See, cooking is a action word, playing is a action word, and sleeping is a action word. But bad is a name of a thing, so we will circle. Okay. In the third one, park, girls, boys, children. Okay. Let's write park, girls, boys, children. Park is the name of a place, girl, boys and children. These are plural. क्या हुआ हमारा और, क्योंकि ये जगह का नाम है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज शर्ट, ट्राउजर, हेयर बैंड एंड स्कर्ट. व्हाट इज और हेयर बैंड? टीचर, hammer, doctor, plumber. Teacher, it's a helper name. Doctor is a helper name and a plumber is a helper. Who is a different name? Hammer. Hammer means हथौड़ा. तो hammer को आप circle करेंगे. Next is join the words given in the left wing of the butterfly with the suitable ones given in the right wing. Okay? Let's do. Suppose word is given news, rain, tea, pan, food, grass. Okay, the next side, pot, ball, hopper, paper, cake, book, okay. Now this is the left wing and this is the right wing. See the butterfly, these words are given in the left wing and these words are given in the right wing. Now we have to join the words, right? News, paper, okay. Rain, bow, okay. Tea, pot, pan, cake, foot, ball, and glass hopper. Again, repeated: news, paper, rain, bow, tea, pot, pan, cake, foot, ball, and glass hopper. Okay, kids? Next is the verb grammar enrichment, page number 42. In which see exercise B, exercise A, underline all the doing words in the passage given below. Read the stanza. The sun shines, Shreya flies a remote helicopter, Mac follows the helicopter, Jinam skips a rope, Hugs climb on the jungle gym, Atul and Priya jump on the trampoline, and Greeny eats cotton candy. In which you have to underline all the doing words. Means Shreya flies in the helicopter, Mac follows the helicopter. First is skips, okay, climbs, okay, jump, eat. These are action words, so you have to underline. Okay, kids. Now come to B exercise. Look at the picture with the correct word doing in the chooses. You have to choose from the help box. The sun dash at night. Sun what to? Sun starts shine at night. Horse dash fast. Horse run fast. Next is the children dash on the stage. Children dance on the stage. Next is Priya and Arun dash cartoon show. Cartoon show क्या करेंगे? Watch. Okay. Next is rabbits dash in the jungle. Rabbits hop in the jungle. Next is ships dash on the sea. Ships sail on the sea. Okay, these are the fill box. Okay, kids. Now this is all for today. Now your homework is you have to read lesson 6 and do page number 40, 41, 42. 40, 41, 42 in your book. This is all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, complete your work. Thank you. Students, welcome to Shivaji Book of Institution online classes. This is the second period of maths and I'm your maths teacher. Kids, we have completed numbers up to 100 and addition and more about addition. 3 chapters we have done now. Now we will revise table 2 to 5. Okay. have already learned the table 9 in your previous classes. Let's revise. First you understand what is TO. Kids, TO. Before we have started 2 digit, 1 digit. When we write in 1 digit, we will start from O. Okay, once. When we are in 2 digit, we will start from TO. Okay, let's read. See, this is the number, this is the sign of multiplication, and this is the equal to sign. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay, see, when number is single, when we have written in a one digit, when there are 2 numbers, we have started from TO. Okay, like this we have to do. Okay, let's revise it again. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Okay, now come to a table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Divide it again. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Okay kids, now it's a table of a 4. Okay, let's read. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Repeat it again. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, now come to the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Repeat it. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, now kids, I hope you have revised the table. Now kids, today's homework है, you have to learn and write table 2 to 5 in notebook. Okay kids, you have to first learn it, then after learning you have to write in your rough notebook or fair notebook, wherever you want. Okay kids, and in our next classes I want your table should be learned. Okay kids, now that's all for today. We will meet in next class. Till then, learn the table. Thank you. This is the GK period. I am your GK teacher. Okay. Today, in our previous classes, we have completed lesson 3 and 4. Okay. And today's our topic is lesson 5. People who help us. Okay. You know, we have already driver, conductor, milkman, postman, teacher, barber, cobbler. These are what? These are our helpers. So today in a chapter we will learn about the helpers. Okay kids? See, pictures are given of our helpers. Carpenter, teacher, doctor, farmer, tailor, sweeper, cobbler and soldier. Okay, these are the pictures of the helpers and these are help box. Okay, you have to take help from the help box and fill the blanks. Okay, let's start. First is written, I work with wood and make furniture. Who am I? Carpenter. Next is, I stitch your clothes for you. Who stitches your clothes? Tailor. Next is, I teach you at school. Who teaches you at school? Teacher. Next is, I keep the streets clean. Who keep the street clean? Sweeper. Next, I cure sick people. Who cures sick people? Doctor. I cut your hair and groom you. Who am I? Barber. I grow crops in the field. Who am I? Farmer. I protect the country's borders. I am a soldier. Okay, let's repeat. Carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. Tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. S-W-E-E-P-E-R, sweeper. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. This we have to fill all the blanks in this page number 11. Now come to page number 10. Next lesson is about follow traffic rules. Okay, kids, you always seen a traffic light. There are 3 lights are given. One is of red color, one is of yellow color, and last is of green color. What does red light says? To stop. Okay, red, yellow, green. What does yellow light say? To wait. And what does green light says? To go. Okay, this chapter is about following traffic rules. See kids, a question is given. There are many things we need to keep in mind while on the road. Color the boxes green if the statements are correct and color them red if the statements are wrong. अगर statement सही है तो आपको green color fill करना है and if the statements are wrong, अगर statement गलत है तो आपको red color fill करना है and use only crayons color. Okay? And here I am not filling the color, I am writing the name of color. You have to fill color. Okay kids? Let's read first point. While crossing the road, you should look both ways. Okay? When you crossing the road, जब आप road cross करते हैं तो आप दोनों साइड देख के क्रॉस करते हैं ना? Which color you will fill? Green. Next is, we should not play on the road. Where yes, it's a good sign. So we will fill green color. Okay? Next is, while crossing the road, we should run on the road. No, this is a danger sign. We will fill red color. We should use zebra crossing for crossing the road. Use zebra crossing for crossing the road. Yes, always use zebra crossing for crossing the road. Next is, while walking on the road, we should hold our parents' hand. Obvious, true. We should not follow traffic signals while crossing the road. No, Yes. We should wear a helmet while cycling? Yes. Okay. If the red color is given, this means statements are wrong. If the green colors are given, you will mean statements are right. Okay kids? Now your homework is